In this video, I'll talk you through one more demo of basic spreadsheet skills and auto-updating reporting. Skills like this and tools like this let you analyze data in 3 minutes instead of 30 minutes with a data dump and some auto-updating data and just, again, some basic spreadsheet skills. This is not stuff that takes years and years to learn. These are really basic small pieces that build up to being some really powerful tools. So as the example, you can see here we have the master table, which is called a database. So that's the source of truth. That's the one place where all the raw, clean data lives, whether you're entering it here, typing it in, or you're exporting from somewhere else and then pasting it here. And often there's a lot of these rows. You see there's a lot here, but it can go on for a very long time and just keep adding rows to this. Either way, this is the source of the data. This is where all the source of truth lives. After that, you have these views. And what these are, they're just views of this data. So whenever you update this sheet here by adding more rows on or changing it in any way, all these other views update. So it's a really powerful way to very quickly update your reporting every week, every month. Whatever you do, often you're pulling data from one place, analyzing it, and using that. In this case, you do that once, every time you update this sheet, and the other stuff then just happens. And you'll see under here, there's a lot of formulas that these are based on. As you'll often see in spreadsheets, obviously there's formulas. There's conditional formatting, which formats certain rows based on certain criteria. There's some checks down here that tell you if there's maybe an error somewhere. But the power is you do it once and then it all happens automatically. And these are not, as I said before, not complicated formulas. These are pretty simple formulas you can learn quickly, and then you can build on that and build really powerful tools.